Are you planning a wedding and wondering how to write the perfect invitation? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to write a beautiful and elegant wedding invitation, whether you want a formal, casual, or traditional style. Plus, I'll share a bonus tip to make your invitation stand out. So, let's get started. First, you need to decide who is hosting the wedding. Is it the couple, their families, or both? If the couple is hosting, example, together with their families, bride's name and groom's name, invite you to celebrate their wedding. If the parents are hosting, example, Mr. and Mrs., bride's parents' names, and Mr. and Mrs., groom's parents' names, request the honor of your presence at the marriage of their children. The couple's name should be the highlight of the invitation. Traditionally, the bride's name comes first, followed by the groom's name. Example, for a more casual style, you can use just first names, Emily and Jake. Next, include the wedding date, time, and venue so guests know when and where to join you. Example, Saturday, June 15, 2025, at 5 p.m. The Grand Palace, New York City. If it's a destination wedding, you might also include the city and country. If you're having a reception, add a line about it. You can say, formal, reception to follow at, reception venue. Casual, join us for dinner and dancing after the ceremony. To make planning easier, include RSVP details. Mention a deadline and how guests should respond, whether through a website, phone, or email. Example, please RSVP by May 1st at RSVP website or phone number. Want to make your invitation more special? You can add a quote about love, two souls, one heart, one love story. A dress code, formal attire requested. A theme, join us for a beach wedding celebration. This makes your invitation more unique and exciting. Want a modern touch? You can create beautiful digital invitations using free tools like Canva, Evite, or Paperless Post. These are eco-friendly and save time. And that's it. Now you know how to write the perfect wedding invitation, step by step. Which style do you like the most, formal, casual, or traditional? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.